Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This afternoon, as I was coming back home after popping down to the shops, I ran into an old neighbour of mine who I haven't seen for a while. So I stopped and had a chat and a bit of a catch up, and in passing she mentioned that she'd just passed her driving test. Obviously I congratulated her on this, but she then added, yeah, to be honest, actually it was at my 5th time of asking. In other words, this was the 5th time that she'd taken her driving test and she'd failed the first 4 times. You often see this structure at the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 10th time of asking when you're talking about finally succeeding in doing something after many unsuccessful attempts. So you might say, oh, guess what? Hey, I finally passed Cambridge Advanced at my 4th time of asking. Meaning you'd taken it 3 times before and failed. 4th time lucky, as it were. Maybe you might hear in the news that someone is trying to become a member of parliament in the forthcoming general elections at the 8th time of asking. Meaning they've tried 7 times before and each time they failed. You sometimes also see it used in the kind of at the 1st time of asking. So maybe, for example, Leicester City Football Club, who were relegated last year from the Premier League and spent 1 year in the Championship, have recently been promoted. So they've returned to the top flight, to the top league at the 1st time of asking. And I've recently just signed up with a new doctor's down the road from me, a new GP's surgery. And amazingly, I got an appointment at the 1st time of asking, which is very unusual here in the UK at the moment. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use at the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 8th, 10th time of asking.